Okay, now we're back again and it's nighttime. So you can see the sun's glowing. The sun never shuts off. The sun's always on. During our nighttime, it's daytime in Australia and in China. Right now, you can see facing the camera is South America and North America. So that means it would be nighttime in these two continents here, okay? North and South America. The sunlight is shining on the side of the globe that I can see, which would be Asia, Africa, and Australia. So the sun never goes out, it's just that the planet is revolving around it. So let's see how this works at nighttime. And incidentally, you can see the moon is off to the side. The moon here would be seen from Earth as being in its first quarter, which means a half a moon. Quarter, half, they're kind of contradictory terms, but it's the first half of the moon that you're going to see because it's only being lit up on one side by the sun in relation to where we can see it on the Earth. As we rotate the axis around, you can see that now Australia would be in the dark because it's facing away from the sun. I can see Australia, okay? And you can see as it moves around here, we have the moon moving around it as well. Africa's in the sunlight now. Now South America, it's daytime, okay? So all these continents are going to go through their phases of day and night based on their rotational motion in 24 hours around the sun. The moon itself will go around the Earth, as we well know, and as it passes around the Earth in different phases, we can see the full moon, which would occur right here, but then as sometimes you have no moon at all. So if we shift the moon into this position, the Earth is blocking the light to the moon because of the Earth being in the way. So at this position, you wouldn't see the moon at all. So for 3 nights during the month, the moon disappears. And then it slowly reemerges as a crescent moon because it's getting some sunlight. And then it becomes a half moon. That means it's waxing, okay, it's gaining. And then as it approaches this side, it's getting complete sunlight from the sun, and that's our full moon phase. And as it passes this into the third, what they call the third quarter phase, that means it's waning, it's losing some of its sunlight, so now you only see the other half of the moon. And then again, as it gets behind the Earth, from my perspective, what I can see is that there's a shadow of on the moon because the Earth is in the way. So once a month, the moon makes a complete rotation around the Earth. For 3 nights, the moon disappears, and for 3 nights, it's pretty much a full moon. And that's only because of its relationship between the Earth and the sun.